So guys, please before we get started, click on the subscribe button, like and share. We will be taking a look at this EURGBP for the day. Let's try and see some movements. And in order to be able to predict this move properly, I want us to actually roll back to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, as we all can see, right? This EURGBP is kind of giving us an indirection movement. It's kind of range some for some times around there, so it's come to this support, resistance and everything. Let's just take it like that. So we take it like that. So basically, once we see that our price considers our resistance level, we saw it drop to our support. So basically, on the weekly time frame, price has been ranging. Now see it this way. This price has dropped to this our support level that we saw down, right? What we are expecting again on this EURGBP is a bullish move to this our resistance level again. I think it is exactly what we are having now on this GBP. So we are having a bullish move. So therefore, if you want to trade it on this weekly time frame, you would want to go bullish. That is one. And secondly, is that this price is now above the 10-period moving average. So that is an indication that you are going bullish on our EURGBP. Now see it. Let's take a look at it. Let's dive in for better understanding. This is an impulse move that was made here. We had a correction. We had another impulse move here. We got a correction, right? So you notice that this impulse move were breaking the previous higher highs, and now we add another impulse move, right, which has broken above the previous higher highs. You see, what we are expecting next like is a correction, right? That is exactly what I want you to know, that we will be having a correction. I think we're on a correction level on EURGBP on the weekly time frame. By the way, notice that we are on a correction level on the weekly time frame. So now let's scroll down to the daily time frame. What it says, see it there, by the way. So you can see it here, right? We are actually on a bullish move, right? We see this impulse move, correction, impulse move, correction. Now we are on a correction level. Is this correction level over? Possibly, I think so, because we all know how uptrend moves. This is how it moves. When it goes bullish, we see a correction, we get another bullish move. Guess what? We add another correction on EURGBP. Another bullish move was made, a correction was made, right? Now we add another bullish move. Guess what? I think the correction on our EURGBP is over. Reason is that we add this pullback at this previous pullback level here. We add our pullback at this level. So this correction level actually go to that previous pullback level. What we are expecting next is another bullish move. So definitely on this daily time frame, we would want to go bullish that we break above this highs. This was the previous highs, the highest points for this period on EURGBP. So we would want to go bullish to break above it, right? Now to actually place this trade, we would to actually place this trade, there's only one way to move, to actually roll down to the 4-hour time frame to actually place this trade. So what can we see here, right? Actually a bounce up. We can see this price. We saw that price came to this level here. It's kind of give us some little bit of a pullback, failing to break above it. Guess what? Price actually broke above it. Once price break above a key level, we tend to see it come back, test the level again before a continuation of. We also see that once there's a rejection at some certain level and price ended up breaking that level on we see it come back again to test that level which we just got in on our EURGBP. What we are expecting next is another bullish move. So definitely we should actually ride up and let's see if we can take out this ice for the day or the next day, which is about 0.87805. So possibly on the 23 of EURGBP, we should be able to take out this ice on our EURGBP. So watch out for it.